by His Honorable Justice Lenaola was, why didn't the chairperson wait until the next day and try to reach consensus and address the 27 constituencies? It is important to point out at this juncture that the 27 constituencies had been tallied and had undergone the verification process, and were ready for announcement by Professor Gulier. My lords and my ladies, I refer the Honorable Court to paragraph 35 of the affidavit of Professor Gulier, filed in the main petition. And as to the circumstances why the chairperson opted to declare the results on the very day that he did, the explanation is to be found in paragraphs 86 and 111 of his affidavit. But if I may summarize, he made considerations concerning security of his staff, who at that particular point in time were suffering arrests, abductions, and injuries to officials, including commissioners. In his mind, it was prudent to conclude the exercise since Article 138(3)(c) had been fully satisfied. And there was